Hey, and welcome to the Webflow Masterclass. My name is Ran Segal, and I want to welcome you to the 4th edition of the Webflow Masterclass. I first launched the Webflow Masterclass back in 2018, and since then, about every 18 months, we completely redo the course based on what we've learned from our students and also the new best practices and new features from Webflow. And this is the 4th edition, and it's the best so far. And so I'm so excited to have you here learning based on almost 10,000 people who went through this course before you. In this video, I want to help you understand how to make the best out of this course and let you know what to expect in terms of structure. So let's get started. First of all, how to succeed in this course. The number one thing that we see over and over again is people who are very excited, are buying the course, but then end up not going through with it because life gets in the way. So the best advice that I have for you is right now, pause this video and book time in your calendar. It can be 1 hour a week, 2 hour a week, a few hours over the weekend, whatever you have. Make a decision about how you want to budget your time and make sure that you actually watch this course, because this is how you're going to get your results. You've spent a lot of money to be here, and I appreciate that, and I want to make sure that you actually see results from this course. The second thing is that we have an amazing community of thousands of other designers who are on a similar journey from just like you, and you can engage with them. You can make new friends. You can find perhaps your next business partner or a lot of opportunities. So make sure there's details below this video, and you'll probably get an email asking you to join the community. Do that. Go introduce yourself and make the best out of this, because this is a key component of this course and there's so much value over there. Third thing is do the project. This course basically have you build 3 separate projects while you go through this. Do it. Don't just watch the videos and be passive. Take action and learn and try yourself. See what works for you. See where you're stuck, and then ask for help. And that's how you're really going to learn how to use Webflow. The last thing is we've got a questionnaire below this video. It's going to take you a few minutes, but it's going to help us better understand your needs and make sure that we can help you to the best of our ability. So take a minute after you watch this video to fill in the questionnaire. Now, how is this course structured? The first thing in this course after this intro module is some key concepts. Those are key concepts of not specifically Webflow, but web development and web design in general. But if you really want to learn how to make the best out of Webflow, you have to understand them. You may know a few of them and you feel like, nah, I don't need this, but everything that we're going to do in this course is building upon these foundations. So this is perhaps one of the most important things to go through before you're getting into the actual modules and learning. Make sure you understand these key concepts. Then we're starting with level 1, which is a beginner's level, where we're going to work with a template and customize it, because this is the fastest. If you're new to Webflow, this is the fastest way to get your results and make sure that you publish a website, have something that looks great, have something that's using interactions. So even if you've played with Webflow a little bit and you might not sure, maybe I don't need this, go through this so that you can see how I'm customizing a template, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot from that. On the second module, the next intermediate, level 2, we're going to be building a website using the Reloom library, which is the most popular and most time-saving library in the Webflow ecosystem. We're going to be building a full-on yoga studio website that includes a booking system, that includes an e-commerce shop, that includes a CMS, a lot of stuff in there. It's going to be super, super fun. The third level, the advanced level, is going to be a fully custom build. We're going to be building a sports event, kind of like a Netflix type event, which is also a membership event. It's going to have a lot of complex stuff there, advanced CMS, interactions and animations, a lot of good stuff. Now, for those of you who don't necessarily want to go through this in kind of like a linear way and just want to jump around, we've created a topic index so that even after you watch this course, you can always come back to this course as a reference guide so that you can see everything. If you're just looking for, how does Run work with whatever, with Flex or with this type of animation, you know exactly where to jump back in to get a refresher on that specific topic. Or if you want to just jump right into a specific topic, you can do that from the course topic index. The last thing, if you've purchased the Pro Edition, then we've got tons and tons of valuable content from Caleb, the founder of Flow Gurus. This is hours of amazing business and career and templates and everything you need to do to succeed in the Webflow ecosystem. This is super, super great. If you, for some reason, did not purchase this, you can always upgrade later on. And I think this is so good. So you got to check that out. The last thing I want to say is how to ask for help. This course comes with mentoring, and you can reach out to our team of experts and you can ask for them to help you debug and help you sort things out. So when you do that, I just want to have 2 notes for you. Number 1, use the share button. There is a share button in the top right corner of the Webflow interface, which allows you to create a share link so that we can have access to your build, so that we can see how you've built things, and that will help us debug or tell you what you need to do differently. And the last thing is just give us a little bit of context. Some people just like, how do I do X? And they don't really explain what they mean, or they don't give a reference, or I'm trying to get this done or this done. So we really want to be here and help you. Just make it easy for us to help you. Give us context on what it is that you're trying to do and how you want that implemented, and we'll make sure that you'll get this done. All right, with that said, we're ready to get started with the course. I'll see you in the next module.